now?
Yeah.
Assalamu
You got
alaikum.
4 minutes and 59 seconds.
So my story is this. When I was about 5 years old, my mother gave me a Bible. And it was 1975 actually when she gave me this Bible. It was a children's Bible. And when she gave me this Bible, I only looked at the pictures. Because the stories that were told in them, the stories that she told me, I didn't really feel them. She would tell me stories about Adam and Eve and about Jesus, but it just didn't really hit my heart. So after years went on, and then she would like take me to church, and then when she would take me to church, I would see the crucifix and Jesus on the wall, but it just never really, did anything for me. And I would go with family, my family, older family, but it just never really did anything. It never hit my heart. And at age 11, she took me to get baptized.
Mm-hmm.
So when I went to get baptized, I was expecting to feel something, like something big, but didn't feel anything, except for I just got wet.
Mm-hmm.
That's about it. I had to change my clothes. That's just about it. And then I would see other people get baptized, and they felt something, but I didn't know what they felt because I didn't feel anything. And people would be in the church, like dancing and hollering. I think that's when I was, that's the only thing I really felt was the music, because the music would be going on, the band would play. And that was probably the best part of it.
Man, for real though, that's what I used to love that too.
I was about to sleep, and I remember my friend Yvonne, she played the drums, so I just go watch her play the drums and practice, and just to get off on the music. And that's the only excitement I really felt. So after a while, I really kind of stopped going to church. My father didn't go to church, so I didn't go to church either. So he was like, nah, you don't have to go to church. So I didn't go to church. My mom didn't like it though. She didn't like it at all that I didn't go to church. So the years went on, and then when was I, like 23, 22, I met this brother named, I was working at Macy's, and I met this brother named Abdu-Salaam. And when we it was Abdu-Salaam. And he said, hey, read this, read this. And I started reading it, and I was like, wow, I really felt something. And he said, come pray with me. When I prayed, I felt something. And I said, okay, this is it. This is it. This is it. This is what I was trying to feel all my life. This was what I was trying to feel in my heart. Because it was simple. When my mom was teaching me, it wasn't simple. There was no beginning, middle, and end. There was no, and there was the storyline was just like all over the place. Then when I tried to ask her specific questions, she really didn't know. She didn't really know. She couldn't put it together for me. But when I asked Abdul-Mateen to put this together, it started like this, and then with this, and this, and then like this. I was like, that's it. That's it. Alhamdulillah. So it made sense. Just I'm not telling the story, but when he put it together for me, it made sense from beginning to end.
Alhamdulillah.
But this is the beginning, and it's not an end yet, because the end hasn't come. But the beginning, who knows what the beginning was? Only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows. He only knows what the beginning was. So that's pretty much the story. From here, I'm here, right here. Allahu Akbar.
How did that change you? Like, what did it do for your life?
Oh man, how did it change me? I brought a lot of things in, and I had to let a lot of things go.
Alhamdulillah.
You know what I mean? I had to let a lot of things go, brother.
Alhamdulillah.
So when I let a lot of things go, life came simple. It came to a point where I didn't have to. My heart wasn't connected to this world anymore. My heart wasn't connected to a car. My heart wasn't connected to a pair of shoes. My heart wasn't connected to going to Macy's. My heart wasn't connected to these women. My heart wasn't connected to these things. Now my heart's connected to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And that's it. It's that simple.
Jazakallahu khair, Shaykh, barakallahu fiqh.
Alhamdulillah, brother.
Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.